Number 3. Low.
Low. Easy 2 points.
Bago lang.
Number 18.
Pinasa kay
Number
number
20.
20. Number 20. Low.
Low. 2 points. Number 20. Low. Number 20 with a steal.
Number 20
Nagmamadali. Number 20. Easy.
2 points.
Kompleto kayo.
Nice pass. Easy 2 points. Steal. Wow. No good. Rebound by number 71. Outside. Who's ball rep? Dark ball. Tatay waiting na ba? Nakalik ka. Number 18, pinasa kay number 20. Number 20, dumidiskarte. 3 seconds, violation. Seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20 nagmamadali. Dumidiskarte. Number 20 sinalaksak. No good. Ano na ba? Baliktad ng jersey. 3x3. Pinasa. Number 30. Number 30 dumidiskarte. Number 30 pinasa. Outside. Number 18. Pass the ball. Number 3. Steal. 3x3. Foul.
Tools. Kukunin natin yung ring. Sa gayong kapila. Baka yan na lang. Tanggalin natin yung tatanggalin yung dalawang ring na yun. Yung papasyal na lang.
Traveling violation. Number 20 mid-range, Jane, no good. Rebound by number 3, no good. Kamay. Number 18, 2 points. Oras natin, 5 minutes, 32 seconds. Number 3, nice pick. Number 3, foul. Easy basket yan. And number 3.
20 seconds on the shot clock.
Foul. Locking foul by number 3. Three x 3 foul. Number 3 again. Second. Penalty na tayo. Number 18. Pinasa kay Bossing. No good. Rebound. Number 3. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3. Pinasa kay number 28. Number 28 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 20 outside. Dark ball. Number 3. Pinasa kay number what? Number 3 no good. 3x3. Nagmamadali. Anticipated yan by number 3. Boss Ruin. For 3. No good. Patay ang patigil. Steal by number 18. No good again. 2 points by number 71. Oras natin 3 minutes 38 seconds. Shot clock natin 15 seconds. Number 3. Pinasa ang Boski for 3. No good. Nagmamadali. Easy 2 points. Score natin 10-6 in favor of Light. 20. No good. 3x3 with the rebound. 3x3 rin. Coast to coast. Number. No good. Wala pa lang na 3x3. Bosking. Bosking. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3, 2 points. Fast break. Foul. Number 18, pinasa kay Boss. Boss Ruin. Boss Ruin. Nice pass by number 18. No good. Pero,
Lamok-lamok ba yun? Langaw.
Boss Ruin. Pass by number 18. Easy 2 points. Score natin 12-8 in favor of Light. Habol tayo, Dark. Ha?
Ilang pa lang kayo? 3. Continuous yan.
Oh.
Ay, nagre-reset.
Number 71, nagmamadali. Number 71, slicing and dicing 2 points. Sige, boss. Number 3, nakadala ng bola. Number 3, pinasa kay number 20, steal by number 71. Number 71, nagmamadali ulit. No good. And 1.
And one play pa lang gusto.
1 free throw by number 23. Good. 3x3. Butata by number 20. Hello. Was ruined mid-range day is good. 2 points. Number 3, nice pick, is foul. Binabati ko nga pala si Ninong Rai ng Happy New Year. Number 3, no good. Number 28, Hail Mary, no good again. Same ball.
40.
40 seconds on the shot clock. 40 seconds on the shot clock.
Good.
Number 20, no good. Rebound by number 71. Easy 2 points by number 26. Seconds on the shot clock. Munti ka nga na. Number 3, air ball. Number 18, nagmamadali. Number 18, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay 3x3, 3x3. Huli ka. Number 18, pinasa. Steal by Boss Rubin. Boss Rubin. 9 seconds tayo. 3x3. No good. Rebound by number 20. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Uno, dos, tres. By number 20. Change score tayo.